We are at the Embassy Suites in Hot Springs, Arkansas, right near downtown. Just looking out from the rooms to the atrium area. I'll take you to our room. We decided to stay here because it's close to the park. We're in room 212. Hello.
Hello.
With Embassy Suites, you have all suites. This one's pretty nice. There's a TV out here, table, couch and chair sitting areas. And we, of course, we've already unloaded and been out to the park and came back, and now we're doing our video. So this is why everything's stacked up here. Here we have a fridge and microwave, sink. Now these babies, we got water, but if you want $6 water, you can get that.
That's the mineral water from here.
Yes. In the bathroom here, nice big mirror, nice sink. Now we could have upgraded and gotten a walk-in shower, but I didn't see a good reason to.
Not for one night.
One night, got a tub, and upgrade is, of course, they're going to charge you more. These nice products, Crabtree and Evelyn. You see our swimsuits. We went to one of the hot spas and sat in the mineral water. It's really nice. I think there's a plug in the bathroom. Bedroom, HVAC control.
Mirror here behind the door.
Full length mirror. There's plugs on either side of the bed and both kinds of USB, A and C.
Closet.
Well, just a minute.
Oh.
Boom. Yes, A and C on this side. Our view out the window, we're on the second floor. They said when it's really busy, you might want to look at a higher floor for noise. Sunday night, not that busy. Another television, nice big one. More drawer space.
Big safe. It'll hold a laptop.
Yeah, safe in here. Hangers. And there was
Not that we're unpacking that much.
No, just enough for tonight. So it's pretty nice. Price was right. It was well priced for today. The price fluctuates, depends on what's going on in town. I found that looking different times, different dates. But today was really good.
And for those who don't know, Embassy Suites always includes an evening reception, which is snacks and 2 alcoholic beverages per person. Here it runs from 5 to 6:30 down in the atrium. And tomorrow morning they have not just your basic buffet, but they have some made-to-order stuff.
Yes, omelets if you want.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I've seen one Embassy Suites, they'd make pancakes. I don't know if not all of them do.
I don't know if they do them to order or if they're going to do them on the buffet.
We're going to
check
find
it
out. But nice room, enjoying it so far.
The refrigerator does not have a freezer section though.
Okay.
But the ice machine's just down the hall.
Yeah.
So we'll fill that up in the morning for our little cooler that goes with us.
I think we'll get by.
And we'll be fine.